Good morning, guys. This is Pat. I just want to give you a tour of what we have so far on this redevelopment of the Order Now page. And so I'm just going to kind of take you on a little bit of a tour of the main version and then the various excuse me, responsive sides as well. So as you can see, this part basically stays the same on a desktop, and then we have these new icons here. These will be 2 and 2, and then I'll show you how this will work out once we get to mobile. Basically right now I just have the original video in there. It's very easy to swap out, and I'm going to show you how to do that when we have all of the design changes approved and ready to go. So we added one here, syncs with app. We still have these. It looks like I need to do a little bit of adjusting here to make sure that this is not touching that border. And then here's our new tab situations. I'm going to go ahead and delete that app that we installed originally, because this is all just, code. So we have our tabs here, and once we get to the point of I see we've got a little separation that I need to fix right there, but I'll take care of that. So once we, you can add pictures, you can add bold, and I just need to know what content you need in there. And I'll go ahead and add that if you want me to do that. But again, like I said, I've got to fix this little separation. It looks like when we get a little more content, it kind of separates there. So. And then down at the bottom, I did fix this a little bit. I adjusted this according to the design, and they kind of rounded the corners and made this longer. So this should all look pretty close to what the design looks like. Let's take you into the phone version. That's an iPad. I'll show you the iPad real quick. iPad's basically going to be the same as a desktop. One's obviously we're going to have a little bit of wrapping here, because that's what happens as you get into smaller screens and you've got this wide, longer line of text. But that shouldn't be that big of a deal. So let's take a look at this on an iPhone 6 Plus, and let's zoom in to 100%. All right, so we have our normal phone version here, up to and including this part here. These have now been converted into nice little dots, which are going to be triggered, or if you use the arrows, those dots will change as well. So and then I did center these according to what the design looked like. And they should be changing, but they're not, so I'm going to debug that. Got the video on top, got our side-by-side icons here, got our side-by-side icons here, and then we have this, the tab section that converts automatically into these nice little accordions once we get to this smaller size. So let me know on the design. I'll show you how you can look at this yourself. So if you go into the back end of the Shopify themes, into the online store area, you're going to notice that there are several themes here, and I'm working on the one called Pat Dev June. So all you need to do is click on Actions and then Preview, and that will allow you to preview the new theme or the new page in the theme that you have. So just click on Order Now, and that will take you to that page, and then you'll see all the new components that we have there. So I will make a few tweaks and adjustments, and then let me know what tweaks you have, and we'll get her done and get you launched.